So here we're solving 2 ln brackets 2x plus 1 close bracket minus 8 equals 0. So the ln is the natural log, and so it's basically a log with a base e. Now a few things we have to know here is that if we have a log, let's say base e, which is the ln of x equals b, you could change that to x equals e to the power of b. That's very important to answer this question. Now, it's the base raised to the power of b will give you x. That's what we're doing. But we have to do some algebra work here before we get to this stage. So the first thing I'm going to do with this question here is move the negative 8 to the other side, and that becomes positive 8. Divide both sides by 2. We get ln 2x plus 1 equals 4. Again, we said the base here is e. So e raised to the power of 4 will give you 2x plus 1, according to this. Or 2x plus 1 equals e to the power of 4. And therefore 2x equals e to the power of 4 minus 1. Moving the plus 1 to the other side becomes minus 1. Now divide everything by 2 to get rid of the 2 besides the x. And therefore x equals e to the power of 4 minus 1 all over 2. And that's your final answer. If you want to calculate this in decimal, just go e raised to the power of 4, take away 1, and then find what that is. Divided by 2 will give you a decimal answer, but we'll just leave it in exact values. Okay. Now how about this? We have 2 to the power of x times e to the power of 3x equals e to the 4. My advice to you here is, if you want to make this simpler, divide everything by e to the power of 3x. That will cancel. Now we have 2 to the power of x. And when you're dividing the same basis, you know, you could just subtract the exponents. So that's 4 minus 3x. You know, a to the x over a to the y would give me a to the x minus y. And that's what we did there. And now to be able to solve for x here, since x is an exponent, what you do, you ln both sides. So you'll have ln 2 to the power of x equals ln e to the power of 4 minus 3x. Now the lns will allow us to bring the x down, so we have x ln 2 equals 4 minus 3x ln e. A ln e is 1, so just get rid of that, because e to the power of what gives you e is 1. And you know, we don't even need the brackets now. So we're just gonna get rid of the brackets to give ourselves space on the whiteboard here. Now to be able to solve for x, you want to bring everything that has x in it to one side. So I'm gonna write this as x ln 2 plus 3x, moving the negative 3x to this side becomes plus 3x equals 4. Factor out x as the greatest common factor from here, and you're going to get ln 2 plus 3 equals 4. Now divide everything by ln 2 plus 3. And therefore my final answer would be x equals 4 over ln 2 plus 3, and that's your final answer in exact values. Again, if you like decimals, you could just put into your calculator, and if you do, just go 4 divided by brackets ln 2 plus 3 close brackets, and that way you don't mix the order of operations on your calculator and get the wrong answer. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time.